Remove the fixing screws and cover plate of the battery box. Disconnect the battery charging cable. Unscrew the fixing nut of the charging port. Remove the nut and charging cable. Replace the charging cable with a new one. Install charging cable. Insert the nut from the bottom. Tighten the nut. Connect the battery to the charging cable. Put the battery and controller into the battery box. Organize wiring harness. Install the battery box cover and screws. Tighten the screws. Replacement completed.